Hello, everyone. This is Jessica from Milesight Marketing Team, and welcome to the Milesight Comprehensive Product Line Application course. Thank you so much for taking the time to join us. Join us for an in-depth webinar where we'll first unpack the Milesight Smart Building Strategy, including our comprehensive product application matrix and the role of people sensing to drive intelligent building, and then dive into real-world success cases and related products across space management, facility management, and energy management. You'll see exactly how Milesight's end-to-end solutions deliver measurable value in smart buildings of all sizes. Currently, we have more than over 100 products. Our offerings include sensing nodes, connection devices, and various additional tools and platforms. Our sensing nodes are designed to gather accurate data from the environment. Most of the nodes support LoRaWAN protocol, and a few of them also supports some other communication protocols, such as 4G Cat1, Wi-Fi Halo, NB-IoT, and LTE-M. Milesight controllers are designed to offer seamless integration with the legacy or traditional sensors. And the weather stations are commonly deployed in smart city and agriculture applications or solar power plants, where accurate weather data is essential. To facilitate seamless connectivity, we provide a range of connection devices that enable efficient communication between devices and networks. These devices play a crucial role in establishing secure and robust connections, such as the LoRaWAN gateways, cellular routers, and switches. Recognizing the potential of 5G technology, Milesight has developed 5G suites that leverage the power of this advanced network infrastructure. These suites enable high-speed data transfer, low latency, and enhanced reliability, unlocking new possibilities for IoT deployments. In addition to our broad product range, we offer extra software platforms tailored to cater to the diverse needs of our customers. In 2025, Milesight is rolling out a new product marketing strategy centered on people sensing driven smart buildings. Building needs can be broken down into three main modules: facility management, energy management, and value-driven space management. Each module calls for different IoT solutions, and we've got you covered at every step. Next, let's dive into energy management, the secret sauce for slashing costs and boosting sustainability. We've boiled this down to three high-impact scenarios that turn raw data into real savings. First up is HVAC control and management. Smarter than a thermostat. Here's the problem. Cranking HVAC systems blindly wastes energy and money. Our fix is hybrid intelligence. Start with manual settings like your ideal temperature range, area in occupancy sensors and air quality monitors. These act as your building's eyes and lungs. Let AI do the heavy lifting. Systems auto-adjust based on time of day, crowd size, and even weather forecasts. A Dubai mall reduced HVAC costs by 22% by syncing operations with foot traffic patterns. No more cooling empty halls. Next, we have power monitoring and management. This is all about real-time interactions and optimizing energy-saving strategies. By keeping an eye on energy use and consumption in real time, building managers can get tips and insights to save energy. For example, dodge the grid penalty in Dubai. Picture this: cloud kitchens with more than 50 ovens and fridges all firing up at once. Chaos for the power grid. Our solution is deploying smart current transformers to track exactly how much juice each kitchen or machine guzzles. Set dynamic caps to avoid overload fines like a circuit breaker for your budget. Lastly, there's lighting management where efficiency meets ambience. The old way, lights on 24/7 just in case. The Milesight way, adaptive brilliance. Motion sensors plus daylight harvesting means lights that dim when sunny and brighten when busy. Pair with smart switches for zone-based control. A co-working space building in Canada used this combo to cut lighting costs by 40% while members raved about the vibe. You'll see products grouped by use case, but wait, why is there a level sensor in HVAC control? Great catch. Many oil fired HVAC systems still rely on tanks. Our ultrasonic sensors act as a fuel gauge, so no more running dry in midwinter or overwatering costly heating oil. In a smart building, we cover every concern from air quality to real time people counting, from smart lighting and heating control to electric consumption measurement. Let's explore some of our key offerings. Smart energy management isn't just buzzwords, it's your toolkit for slashing costs and going green. Start with smart thermostats that adjust air conditioning temps based on crowds and weather. Add motion sensing and light sensor to cut lighting bills. Then plug into real time electricity trackers to strut energy vampires. Milesight team is here to help you design, monitor, service an HVAC control solution so you can remotely command, control, and monitor your air conditioning systems in real time from an easy to use Milesight platform or any third party software dashboard. Part of designing the ideal HVAC control system is understanding your must haves around complexity, functionality, and cost. In this solution, we will cover 4 approaches that make the most sense in a commercial application. The more recognizable approach to smart HVAC controls is the smart thermostat. This smart thermostat approach is lower cost, easier to install, includes local control, and usually requires add-on sensors for enhanced visibility. For improved visibility right from the start, you may want to consider the possibility of seamlessly integrating HVAC system with your existing building automation system. While Milesight LoRaWAN gateway supports the bi-directional communication with the building automation system through the BACnet to IP and Modbus TCP protocol. Node-RED is a popular flow-based programming tool widely used in developing IoT applications. However, not all LoRaWAN gateways in the market can support Node-RED, but Milesight standard LoRaWAN gateways do support. So, through the provided Node-RED, data from various sources can integrate and load into a common format. Then the HVAC system can easier to process and analyze the data. And a stable and easy connection will be built up among thermostats, sensors, and Milesight LoRaWAN gateways. And the last approach is based on the Milesight D2D without a LoRaWAN gateway involved, which means reliable and low latency communication. The smart HVAC system receives data from a variety of smart sensors, including temperature and humidity sensors, door and window status detectors, and people counting sensors. Here is a story. In Bilbao, Spain, a tourist apartment complex upgraded its climate control using 90 smart fan coil thermostats. These devices allow remote scheduling of heating and cooling for each unit, boosting guest comfort while cutting energy use. Managers now get real-time insights to optimize settings and prevent misuse, all through a plug-and-play system. In an Italian middle school, the Milesight WT101 smart thermostat was used to optimize energy consumption with minimal disruption. By installing thermostatic valves in classrooms and common areas, and a gateway in the technical room, they achieved precise temperature control throughout the building. Using LoRaWAN technology cut down on construction work and costs, and the BACnet protocol made it easy to integrate with the existing building management system. Amid growing climate concerns and rising energy costs, Active partnered with Milesight to revolutionize heating management at a Warsaw hotel. By deploying WEAT 101 thermostatic radiators and UG67 LoRaWAN gateway integrated with a third-party management platform, the hotel now dynamically adjusts heating across rooms using real-time data. Milesight thermostats, they are designed for different type of H systems. The first model is WT101 Smart Radiator Valve, which is popular in European markets. The valve baseplate can be used for all valves with a thread size of 30 by 1.5 millimeters from the most common manufacturers without any accessories. For other valve types, you can select the corresponding adapter from our accessories and mount it on the valve. Moving on to the second model, WT201, designed for full house HVAC control using LoRaWAN protocol. It comes with a 3-inch screen, supports up to 4 heat and 2 cool heat pump systems, and 4 classic modes. Additionally, the 303 and 304 fan coil thermostat is specifically tailored for both 2-pipe and 4-pipe fan coil unit systems. Finally, 401 is a wireless thermostat with a user-friendly operation panel that can support matching with packaged terminal air conditioning controlling module. To broaden our understanding of the smart lighting control solution, let's dive deeper into this picture. Milesight lighting control system is versatile enough to cater to both single space control and larger scale scenarios. In a single space system, local control of individual rooms is provided without external communication. However, to fully harness capabilities for enhanced energy management and facility performance, a networked system with LoRaWAN gateways is recommended. This allows control of multiple rooms or even entire floors, along with the ability to connect to other servers and systems such as HVAC and building automation. Here's how a Dubai office building cut lighting energy use by 25% without annoying flickers or tech headaches. Imagine security guards racing every night to manually turn off 87 lights across 8 floors. Human errors, lights left on, energy bills sky high, sustainability goals out the window. So they partnered with SenseGreen. They deployed Milesight's plug-and-play IoT solution. Smart light controllers WS558 were installed in minutes. These guys took over 87 lights across 8 circuits. No rewiring, just seamless integration. WS202 sensors are installed to detect motion and daylight. Lights auto-dim when sunny or rooms are empty. After hours, lights shut off like clockwork. UG56 gateway kept everything connected via LoRaWAN, even in Dubai's harsh environment. Here's how Spain's largest healthcare network upgraded more than 200 clinics without ripping out old systems. Managing 213 clinics across 10,000 square kilometers. Manual checks mean wasted time. Outdated HVAC and lighting drained energy. Basin storage. Risky guesswork. Staff and patients suffer from stuffy air and cold rooms. Smart sensors everywhere. Old radiators got portable socket WS523 to track energy use. Door sensors added in minutes. Smart light controllers WS558 are installed to control illumination in the shared areas. Finally, 25% fuel savings are made by smart thermostats and window sensors that cut heating waste. No more freezing rooms or stale air. Lights adjust to natural rhythms. WS550X Smart Wall Switch. It's designed for the local and remote control of lights or other electrical appliances. It adopts 2 standard sizes to replace the traditional wall switches in most of the international markets. This smart wall switch can be controlled via web interface or mobile app remotely or turn it on and off locally in the field. Like other wall switches, this LoRa-based one guards against circuit overloads, protecting electronics like heaters, microwaves, televisions, meanwhile collecting data of current, voltage, power, and electrical consumption for further analysis. WS558 Smart Light Controller. This controller allows users to monitor and control more lights remotely or locally in complex surroundings. With 2 circuit types, live and neutral type and switch type, it fits different scenarios without the need of rewiring. The LN type is able to provide power to the lights it controls, so that it can collect power consumption data of each channel. And the switch type can provide higher loads and access higher power lamps. And another highlight of this controller is it features the power of memory function. In case of any power failure, the present settings will be saved and the light controller will resume to the previous operating status when power is restored, instead of reconfigure the 8 circuits one by one, which is a minor but great useful and powerful feature to better the user experience. WS156 and 136 Smart Scene panel. Actually, it's a multi-button control panel that can simply activate different predefined scenarios with one press. You can customize various smart scenarios such as business mode, holiday mode, meeting over mode, switching from one mode to another just in a second. You can also customize the buttons to control any electronic devices as you want, such as smart lighting control. This setup helps you monitor and manage electricity usage by connecting lights, appliances, and distribution boxes to a LoRaWAN gateway. You can remotely switch smart sockets, collect data on energy usage, and measure electrical currents with current transformers. This data integrates with smart grids or energy management systems, and you get alerts for overloads or fire risks. In Barcelona, Spain, Milesight's partner, Monolithic, successfully implemented an IoT project in a concert hall to monitor electricity consumption. They chose Milesight's current transformer CT101 based on their positive track record, offering quality and ease of installation. By deploying 15 current transformers to monitor the hall's electrical circuits, they achieved better control over electricity consumption, cost reduction through simplified installation, and enhanced sustainability through effective energy management. Okay, here is another case we just achieved successfully with our Canadian partner. Before come to Milesight, Peak Power have tried wired solution and wireless solution like Zigbee, but without success because of the complicated wired implementation in the field, or much shorter communication range by Zigbee, but higher power consumption. So finally, the LoRaWAN-based solution from Milesight is proposed to reduce operating costs and improve employees' comfort. More than 4,400 units of sensors and 440 units of gateways are deployed, and 62 buildings are covered by the LoRaWAN solution. Thanks to the strong penetration capability of LoRa, just 5 units of gateways are enough to support a high building with 19 floors. More than 12 months pass by, but the sensor's battery health dropped 3% only. Almost no maintenance cost arisen. Building operators can remotely turn on and off the devices through smart portable sockets based on the recommendations, thus optimizing and reducing energy consumption. Also, when receiving air quality alerts, operators can control the HVAC system remotely to provide improved ventilation. The solution has greatly improved the efficiency of buildings and saved hundreds of thousands of Canadian dollars every year. In Vancouver, Canada, the Musqueam First Nation Reserve is making strides towards a greener future by retrofitting residential buildings with IoT technology. This initiative aims to achieve net zero energy and greenhouse gas emissions by 2050. And here's how they're doing it. Many of the buildings have outdated infrastructure, making it difficult to install modern technology. Plus, the cost of implementing high-tech solutions can be a hurdle, especially for community projects with tight budgets. Enter the British Columbia Institute of Technology and their IoT-based approach. They installed around 150 LoRaWAN devices in residential houses to monitor and manage energy consumption and indoor air quality in real time. In addition to monitoring indoor air quality with Milesight 7-in-1 indoor air quality sensors, the team installed a bunch of Milesight CT101 and CT103 smart current transformers, along with smart portable sockets to manage power consumption. They set up several smart current transformers in the main electrical panels to keep an eye on energy usage. These transformers provide real-time data without needing batteries and can be installed quickly without messing up the existing electrical system. They calculate the accumulated ampere hour in real time every second for precise current consumption monitoring and analysis. This helps achieve goals like energy conservation and reduced operational costs. Thanks to their split core design, they can be installed non-invasively and quickly. The WS523 smart portable socket was connected to plug loads so facility managers can get real-time energy consumption readings. With the Milesight gateway fleet function, the UG65 gateways act as agents, while the UG67 outdoor model serves as the master gateway to seamlessly transmit data to a cloud platform. Using ChirpStack with InfluxDB for data storage and visualization, facility managers can view both real-time and historical data. By leveraging IO technology, the Musqueam First Nation Reserve is not only making their buildings more energy efficient, but also paving the way for a sustainable future. WS51X Smart Wall and Portable Socket. Milesight smart sockets go beyond the functionality of standard legacy sockets. Number one, I want to say electricity parameter collection. The smart sockets collect various parameters, including voltage, current, power factor, power, and power consumption. Both of them can measure active and reactive power and energy. Number two, the remote control and scheduling function. Users have the convenience of remotely turning devices on and off, as well as creating personalized schedules for automatic switch off. Additionally, the physical power button on the socket enables local control and can be remotely locked to prevent unintended actions by children or other individuals. And the last useful feature is they support overload protection, safeguarding electrical systems from excessive loads. They can even alert users in case of power outages. Currently, the smart wall socket models are an 86 type that only support the European Type F, Type E, and Type G. And the smart portable socket can plug into UK, US, or AU socket and enables you to switch or schedule a connected electronic device on or off anywhere, anytime. CT Series Smart Current Transformer. They help save energy by closely monitoring how much energy each piece of equipment uses in industrial or building facilities. They collect data systematically and use AI to optimize energy allocation. All series can handle currents from 100 to 1000 amps. That's everything from coffee shops to car plants. All the models come with an external temperature probe as a standard accessory that connects via a USB cable, making installation and integration a breeze. This user-friendly design gives it an edge over competitors. Thank you for attending our webinar. For the latest updates and news, follow us on social media. We look forward to staying connected.